and we are back for our high tea and a little chit and chat with my dear friend Kanal Thakur. I'm sure you all have seen him in Kasauti Zindagi Ki just before quarantine, and besides that, he's done a movie, he's done some ads, and he's done a lot of stuff. He shifted his base from UAE to Bombay just for acting, and now he's also adopted a kitten during quarantine. So there's a lot to talk to him, and we have him here for our chit and chat. Let's add him and so hi Abhin. Hello.
Hi,
Hello, how
hi
are you?
Shweta. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, good. What's going on?
Just was missing friends, so doing chit chat every evening, having some high tea with all friends around. And आज तुम्हारी बारी है हमारे high tea पे.
Finally, I feel very privileged to be on
Oh my
this
God,
conversation with
seriously?
you. Yeah, you've been speaking to a good set of people from a variety of spectrums of work in terms of what they do in Bombay and out of Bombay also. It's nice. It's educating and helping a lot of other people out there who are essentially spending time on social media.
या
और
बिकॉज
करने को
दैट्स
है भी क्या ना?
एग्जैक्टली आप कितना
Yeah.
डिजिटल देख लोगे आप कितना बिंज वॉचिंग कर लोगे कितनी पेंटिंग कर लोगे कितनी राइटिंग कर लोगे उसके बाद भी तो बातें करनी है
बातें you know what really has sort of made an impact is that हर इंसान का जिस जगह जिस चीज में इंटरेस्ट है वो उन इंसानों के बारे में उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में उनका किस तरह से लाइफ का अप्रोच है उन सब के बारे में सीखने का काफी मौका मिलता है बिकॉज इन दैट वे आई ऑल्सो have watched a lot of live sessions. I didn't imagine myself watching other people's live sessions, but I did, and it
या
was
बिकॉज
very
यू
informative because
वांट टू
that kind
नो
of
लर्न
yeah. What is
एंड
learn? Yeah,
many a times what happens, we all have a journey. I think every individual has a story to tell. And, from a doctor to a literary agent to a writer to everyone, even somebody who's studying, everyone has stories. And we usually would
yeah.
not know about them. But today, thanks to live sessions, we know it all.
Absolutely. Because लोगों की dates मिलना मुश्किल है ना उनसे बात कर पाना मुश्किल है because everyone's running the rat race to make the money. And that's the
That
thing,
is true.
my today's post on social media was just about that. What is it that we made really normal? What we were doing before Corona happened. Pre-Corona life was what?
Yeah.
Inequity, depression, overwork, exhausting all the resources that you have, overhoarding, buying too much, you don't need that much, that kind of stuff. And people feeling pressured constantly, capitalist economy, things getting expensive, salaries not increasing. मतलब recession से निकलने से पहले ही we went into corona and then a deeper depression and
That's
economic
true.
crisis. Yep. Chalo, but this is
So
a good thing. Sitting down live and speaking to people who come from different walks of life is good.
you have done a lot. And besides that, you have also, like, besides everything, you made a new connection. You have got a new kitchen home. So tell
Yeah, I
us
did. I
about
did.
the new arrival at home first. Let's start from there.
All right. So what happened was I had a dog for about 11 years of my life. I had an English Cocker Spaniel. His name was Happy. I had him from my college days. So I've had him for like 11 years of my life. Only 3 years back he passed. So that took me aback quite a bit because it was a bit of it was very heavy on me. And at that moment in life, I was still struggling and trying to make a name or crack one of the jobs in Bombay to be able to do something. And I was here when that happened. So तब से उसके बाद फिर हिम्मत नहीं हुई. Eventually, obviously, now that I live in my own house, things have become easy in that manner. And अब lockdown चल रहा है तो I never thought कि चलो I had nothing in my mind that I'll get a pet at home and this and that, or I'll adopt a dog or a cat. But at some point in time in life, I wanted to, and I had the same thought when I was at Cat Cafe as well. But then खुद का घर नहीं था तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उठाने का मतलब इट वुडंट मेक सेंस प्रैक्टिकली भी हर चीज
Yeah,
के बारे में सोचना चाहिए you can't just pick up something and then just leave it halfway
yeah.
through. That's not
And
किसी की
especially
लाइफ की
not
बात हो.
with a pet, yeah. Like, I hear that a lot where people say, oh, I'm not a dog person or cat person. But then why did you adopt or get in the first place if you were not sure about it? So, yeah, I
Absolutely.
agree with you on that. So, what have you named the
And
kitten?
caramel,
Areva, are you going to get a chance to meet
caramel.
Caramel?
Yeah, I'll show you. Give me 1 minute.
Wow, who
Caramel.
said that while quarantine we are not making relations? Yo, we just adopted Caramel and you're gonna see Caramel right now. Ooh.
Can you hear her?
Yes, listen, let her rest if she is not in the zone to go live now. Oi, oi, oi.
Yeah, yeah. There she is.
Hi, Caramel. Oh,
Hi, Caramel.
wow,
She's
Caramel
tiny.
Jelly.
Okay.
She's so
Do your thing.
cute.
She is. She's adorable. So at the end of the day, it was not me who said, "Ki, oh, I want to go and adopt." It didn't happen like that. I got a message from a person from my society who I know, who has a dog, who has a couple of other pets and this and that. She messaged me. She sent me pictures of cats and she said these kittens are up for adoption. Please spread the word because you've got the audience. हेल्प ही हो जाएगी उनकी क्वारंटीन में. फिर मैंने सोचा यार मैं तो अकेला टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ and I've always wanted to have a pet at home. It'll be a very meditative space also. I've had a dog before. I know what it's like. I've not had a cat before. So let me just do some karma, give it back again. जब ये लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हुआ था तब तो मैं नीचे वॉलंटियर करता था
Hmm. Hmm.
सुपरमार्केट में. वो अब खत्म हो गया तो then now this.
And
So yeah.
she is pretty and it's the best thing who said that quarantine में connections नहीं बनते हैं, like suddenly you have she's so cute, yeah. Caramel.
Come here. She's still cute, yeah. See, now you are interrupting my live session.
That's going to happen quite a lot. I used to have it earlier with Baller and everything. घर पे जब
Yeah.
हम rehearsal करते थे, they would like completely be around and enjoy the part
Yeah.
of the rehearsal. And it's K. Ruturaj is saying Kamal and Caramel. Sana is sending emoticon. Bharti Patija is saying hello.
That's
Sushi
cute.
Sharma is saying. A lot of your fans are saying they're sending all emoticons. Catty underscore free sent some hearts. And obviously there's a lot coming in. And so tell
Thank
me,
you. Thank you,
Kunal, you
guys.
always wanted to be an actor?
The thing is, um, I think it was only when once I was a lot older. Obviously, when I was in Dubai, I was walking the ramp for designers and this and that and doing my thing. I didn't have confidence. I didn't have that kind of confidence to be able to talk in public, to be able to perform in public. Um, let's just keep the dancing in the school and the singing in the school aside because that's not really what acting or the public performance is really about. It's after you have understood that, oh, you have a persona to maintain, people are going to judge you. As a child, you don't think about these things, right? So it was not something that I wanted to always, but then I've been drawn to films. Bachpan se I would always watch TV with my parents. That's why when Kasauti also happened, I was like, I've seen this, as a child. I would sit down and watch all of these three back to back. Kahani Gagar ki, Kyunki Saas, blah blah blah. And it was a thing at home. It was just how life was. And I had no idea that this was where I was supposed to be because when I was studying in Pune, I was doing my bachelor's of commerce and arts, and Film Institute was right next to me because I lived on Law College Road. My mom told me so many times, "Go Kunal, why don't you go and do this?" तब मैं फिर college वाली मस्ती में था. So I had no idea. But at the end of the day, when I started to understand myself a lot better in general, I figured I'm an empath. I'm that guy who'll be sitting in the plane and crying over Bajrangi Bhaijaan at 4:30 in the morning on a flight, and I have like an hour and a half to sleep to stay in Delhi to see all my friends. I'd be sitting up 4:30 in the morning and watching Bajrangi Bhaijaan on an airplane where everyone is sleeping and I'll be crying. So that's the kind of guy I am. Once I realized and I started taking things seriously about my emotions in general, because bachpan mein emotions also were all over the place. कभी बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आ जाता, कभी ये होता तो वो होता. तो when all of this came into balance and I understood so much about myself is when I realized where I wanted to be and what I wanted to do. And एक के बाद चीजें होती गई. I still, experimented. I came around. I came to Bombay. Before moving to Bombay, I did know a lot of people around. I did visit people. My own people who I know from Dubai were also, cross culturally moving in Dubai, in Bombay, and fashion was also peaking hardcore at that time. Now it works on a different level altogether. Yeah, you agree with me. Thanks, Caramel. Yeah, so that way, man, it was never in the pipeline. It just happened. It happened so that back then, Dub Smash and all had started to become a thing. And in my working days while doing media buying and planning, on and off, मुझे ना ये हेरा फेरी वाले Dub Smash, हंसाने करने वाले Dub Smash बड़े मजे के लगते थे. I used to make them पुरानी पुरानी films के. And my friends used to enjoy it quite a lot, and then I would upload it also without thinking. I would just upload it on Instagram. Dekho bhai what it is. A lot of people appreciated it, and I was like, really? Am I able to emote? Okay, cool. And then once I had calls from Bombay, I was like, you know what? Okay, I'm done with my job. I'm gonna move to Bombay, and then I'm gonna start.
Okay,
Yeah,
so your
that's
birthday is
correct.
coming in 1 month. Your fan club is saying. So now, obviously, in
Oh
spite of.
yeah,
So, what
yeah.
plans? What are you and Caramel going to do? Because I'm sure even if the lockdown is up and all, it won't be a time to party. So, do you have any plans already for the birthday?
But no यार nothing. I haven't thought of anything. अभी तो हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि यार काम कब स्टार्ट होगा, कैसे स्टार्ट होगा. कि हाँ,
She's
cases
saying,
and
I am
cases.
with you on birthday. Caramel का पहले वो ही है.
You are with me on my birthday, Caramel. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, you need something to play with. Come on, come on. Okay, so at the end of the day, I think um, एक महीना exactly बाकी है. कल 12th था. That's when I adopted her. So at the end of the day, one full month is left. हम at the moment people are thinking कैसे लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, phases में खुल रहा है. पता नहीं है शूट स्टार्ट होंगे नहीं होंगे. टेंटेटिव डेट्स तो अभी भी हैं हमारे पास कि एंड ऑफ जून दे विल ट्राई एंड स्टार्ट. बट अभी कोई श्योर नहीं है ना कि केसेस ऊपर जा रहे हैं नहीं जा रहे हैं, ट्रांसमिशन हो रहा है डिजीज का या कंट्रोल कर लिया है, किसी को आइडिया नहीं है. द लास्ट थिंग आई रेड वाज there will be 9,000 beds by September, or no, not September, end of August, if just in case the cases spike up. So Maharashtra government, salute to them, man. They're working very hard to make this happen. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to it, man. I'm just taking it by the hour, by the day to see. काम का कॉल आ जाएगा तो definitely हम काम पे जाएंगे जरूर. Because I'm sure everyone in the audience also is waiting to watch new content, and they're waiting to get, you know, I think we would be the next set of warriors who would actually go out and work with a big set of people, because it's not about only creating content or, giving fans what they want. It's also supporting those people's households, right? Who are
True.
associated to the industry. कब तक उनको support मिलता रहेगा बाकी actors से या
And see ना
funds
today
से.
entertainment is so important. आज हम पूरा दिन कर क्या रहे हैं? Like if you didn't have this content on Netflix and the digital media, how would people be spending their time? So how important it is for the entire entertainment industry to run in itself. Like it does play a very crucial part in our lives today.
Very, very, very. That's true.
So, Kunal, just before quarantine, you bagged Kasauti Zindagi, a show that you've been
Hmm.
watching as a kid, and you were a part
Yeah.
of it. So, how did it feel, But it was, I'm sure it must be like a fan moment kind of a thing, Bachpan mein you've seen something and now you're a part of it. So, what was it like? And it's your first TV show, like you literally made your debut on
First
TV.
TV. On TV, yeah. And I barely shot for around 15 days, yeah. I mean, at the moment, I don't really know what internally is going on with the show or with the channel. I have no idea, but I was definitely extremely thrilled about auditioning for that character also. And when I asked for what show it is, I was like, wow, this is a legendary show.
Yeah,
I don't have
Kasauti
to Google research the show. I don't need to read about the show. I don't need to, because I know the show. I know all the characters, I know all the key people in terms of what they feel, what their emotion is, and where they stand in the family. बचपन से देखा है, so it felt nice and it felt good, and you sort of get, I this is मेरा खुद का मानना है ये, that at the end of the day, you, Navratan, Navratan is online. He's a casting director. I did my Hyundai ad in Jan with him. He was the one who did it. And now he started to also get shoots done. He started to do his quarantine shoots. Very nice, good
Oh
work.
wow.
So,
Hello, Decodram. Yeah.
so when I got the show, I felt all of that, but then this ये मेरा खुद का personal मानना है कि at the end of the day, if you're not exercising your skill, not working on the craft, किसी ना किसी तरह, मतलब अगर आपको घर बैठे बैठे ऑडिशन का कॉल आ जाए, स्क्रिप्ट आ जाए, तो प्रिपेयर करके भेजो यार. This is the most exciting thing for you. You should look for alternates on how you can do it. या तो आप माउंट कर दो अपना मोबाइल, लोग करते हैं वो, especially people who want to make it in the acting field, they have a tripod or they have something to mount their phone on. एंड वो ऑडिशन अगर नहीं बनाओगे, और उस ऑडिशन को अगर जो अटेम्प्ट बनाया है उसे दोबारा देख के कुछ और आइडियाज नहीं आए, कम से कम 15 क्लिप्स बनती हैं ऑडिशन की. पर्सनली मैं बता रहा हूँ कितने टेक्स होते हैं, कितना आप ब्यूटीफुल बना सकते हो. दैट इट्स योर वर्क. सो इफ यू डोंट पुट दैट वर्क इन, देन यू विल गेट रस्टी. ओके. And hota hai, because the season goes off, the season goes on in terms of the acting world, creative world. Projects get signed, projects get locked. बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. In the middle, you tend to lose out and not practice your craft enough.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day,
I'm gonna cut you here because PSY. Baba saying proud of you, bro. I've seen your hard working for your career always, bro. And a lot of your fans have been sending hearts, and obviously Katie with lots of hearts, a lot of
thank you.
emoticons, and yeah, you can continue because they've come here for you. I had to read them.
Thank you. They're very sweet people. I have a good set of people who are giving. I think it's that only. When you keep giving, you get it back also, and that momentum's on, so you don't have to really worry about, oh, am I getting enough or not? Anyway, so I think practicing that craft is very important. In the start, I barely had time to digest the fact that I'm locked for Kasauti and I'm going to be playing this character, because the next day I started shooting. Like एक होता है ना, when you learn about the character, you understand the character, because the show has taken 8 years of leap. Kaushik is a new character. Kaushik was not in the first Kasauti that I know of. So this character had to be developed. Now I have no research on exactly what the character's background is in this and that. I gradually figured that in the 15 days I was already in the zone when the corona eventually then happened. And I guess, I mean, in general, the fans have loved the work. I've also loved the work, but I know that I'll do a lot better in the future. If at all we eventually open and we start shooting and things remain the same way, because in general, you don't really ever know what is going to happen next. This is one thing that I've learned from this lockdown, कि plans का ना कोई फायदा नहीं है. अपनी इंडिविजुअल आत्मनिर्भर होके अपने ऊपर इंडिविजुअली जो आप अपने लिए अचीव कर सकते हो, भले वो आप घर से अपना किचन चलाओ, भले वो आप घर से ही अपनी स्टिचिंग करो, भले घर से कुछ भी करो, but make a living out of yourself, whether you create content, whether you host people, whether you're good at interviewing, do all of those things. Get some shoots done, do something creative. There's so much going on. All of these online programs also, education का भी कितने सारे spectrums
Yeah, there are a lot
in
of
terms
webinars
of how.
going on. Yeah, like there is amazing number of Zoom classes that are going on, and the best thing is I always say, suddenly we all have time to experiment things. We can learn a lot of things. We can try a lot of things because actually, like you said, there's a lot of uncertainty out there. We don't know what's in
Yeah,
store for tomorrow.
that's true. Yeah, you agree with Shweta too? I completely agree. Okay, bacha, come. Okay, come. Right.
Okay, so tell me, Kunal,
Tell me.
you said, it's very important to keep working on your craft and one should keep doing that. So, what are you doing? How are you keeping yourself busy and how are you working on your craft?
तो 2-3 दिन पहले क्या, एक हफ्ता पहले मैंने अपनी ही फिल्म कबीर सिंह का ही एक मोनोलॉग प्रिपेयर किया था. This was the Shahid Kapoor rant to Kiara before he basically slaps her. So I prepared that. I recorded two different renditions. I mean, I recorded a couple, and I finalized two renditions of it. Both of them are they're very very different from each other, but I'm saying the same lines. So it was quite nice to actually record that and watch it, and then get thoroughly entertained and believe what I've really done. I think मेरी victory उधर ही हो जाती है. For me personally, that's how I deal with it. And I think it's far easy for me to work that out because it's worked for me. Other people work it out differently. Then I made another audition clip from a film called Point Break from 1991, जिसमें
Okay.
Keanu Reeves है. He's a surfer in it. Good film, very good film. So I hadn't watched that film. I watched the film and then I prepared the scene from that film.
So
Yeah,
nice. You've
so
been
I think
working on your craft.
yeah, and very because I live alone, I randomly blabber stuff. Like I'll randomly blabber. यार पिज्जा खाने का मन हो रहा है यार. Like there's no one at home. ना मेरे पास पिज्जा है ना मेरा मन है पिज्जा खाने का. Do you see what I mean? But I'll be randomly saying something, watching something, shouting sometimes in the house also, because you know inhibitions can enter your body very fast. Matlab, the moment you stop opening your jaw, moving your eyes, your eyebrows, they start to get rusty. Like they start to remain there. You use your emotion, your face very less. So I sort of try and exercise that. Like suddenly I'll do this out of the blue. So yeah,
So what is the most courageous thing you've done in all the things you've done till now when it comes to your acting career?
the most courageous thing. Well, I wouldn't call it courageous, but I'll tell you. So Kabir Singh shoot karte karte, there was this one. You must know that if you watch the film, then there is a part right almost in the start of the film where there is a football ground जहाँ पे हम भागते हुए आते हैं ये वो ठीक है. तो वो शॉट जब रेडी हुआ शूट होने के लिए, मैं तो रेडी था भागने के लिए, और ठीक है एक्शन हुआ है और हम भागने लगे हैं. आई एम रनिंग 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 टुवर्ड्स द गेट. अब वो ग्राउंड के गेट जहां से शूट हो रहा था ना, वहां के आसपास वाला एरिया स्मूथ नहीं था. There were a lot of stones, lot of gravel, lot of uneven stones, some pointed, some this. And then there was a small little ditch. पता नहीं क्यों खड्डा खोद के रखा हुआ था उसमें. Okay. I didn't fall into that ditch, but eventually I did. I didn't completely fall. My leg twisted. So what happened was in the middle of the scene when I'm approaching the gate, जहाँ पे वो कहता ना कमल मेरे लिए दरवाजा बंद कर दे यार please. Then I run. Okay, I'm at the gate and I pull the gate and I close it. So that before I reach the gate, there was this one stone जिसपे है ना मेरा पैर ऐसे हुआ. ओके तो पैरों में मुझे स्वेलिंग हो गई थी. मुझे पता ही था उस वक्त because I at that moment itself I limped, but then I didn't show it to anyone because I thought I don't know, it'll look weak on me. But then गलती मेरी भी नहीं थी यार. पत्थर पड़े हुए तो ऑब्वियसली गिरूंगा. एंड प्लस आई वाज वेयरिंग फुटबॉल स्टड्स. वो भी सीधे वाले शूज नहीं थे, फुटबॉल स्टड थे जिसमें नुकीले वाले. सो उसमें उनमें तो वो ग्रास पे ही दे आर द बेस्ट. तो पैर ट्विस्ट हुआ मेरा एंड आई वाज लाइक शिट अगेन. And the reason why I had to redo that shot is not because my running was the problem or the scene, the frame was the problem. It was the artist that was standing near the gate who was supposed to basically look at me whilst I'm passing. So मैं भाग रहा हूँ तो मुंडी ऐसे ऐसे होनी चाहिए ना कि बंदा भागता हुआ जा रहा है, तुम देखो तो सही भागता हुआ आ रहा है. वो ऐसे ही लगे हुए अपनी मर्जी में. No one gave a reaction. I had to redo that running scene after that ankle twist. So I think that was by far one of the courageous things that I did without complaining, without making a scene. I went for the second take right away. I didn't go to the vanity, nothing. But eventually, after the shot was done, I went back to the vanity and I could see this. I could see my foot is swollen.
If you
Yeah.
had to describe yourself in 5 words, what would it be?
Empath, loyal, caring, wise, host.
She
Yeah.
also has something to say. Caramel has 2 words too for you. Okay. What's your
Hi.
perfect off day like?
My perfect day, off day. Okay. It starts with just being in bed for the next. No, actually, no, not at all. I don't like being in bed as soon as my eyes are open. I want to get out of bed straight away because I'm like protruding with so much energy in the morning. So yeah, I wake up, get up, go to the washroom straight, brush the teeth. Whilst brushing the teeth, I would walk to the kitchen and turn the heater on for my coffee. Eventually, sit down with my coffee, read up on the news, see what exactly has happened in the world and in India locally, so I could approach my day accordingly. If I need to sort of, I don't know, इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है ना दुनिया में जो चलता है उससे और जो आप फील करते हो इंडिविजुअली तो वही उसी को ट्रांसलेट करने के चक्कर में मैं कुछ ना कुछ करता ही रहता हूँ सो दैट्स रियली व्हाट इट इज नाउ आई हैव हर सो आई विल बी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हर अदरवाइज आई हैव अ फ्यू फ्रेंड्स इन द सोसाइटी हु आर अमेजिंग and I get to see them. They're neighbors, friends to me. So I'm very blessed to live in a good society wherein I have a lot of fellow artists around over here who are equally very bright in what they do. And they're also creating so many things in this within this quarantine time. So it's nice.
If you were not an actor, what would you be?
Media buyer and planner, which I was.
So if you had to
Yeah.
get back to media planning, would you ever do that?
Uh, maybe not. No, no. I don't think
Do-
so. Although because see, I know the insights of the business quite a lot, and working in Dubai for me was a different story altogether. Working in India and starting from ground zero, from scratch, wouldn't be worth a while for me. I
So,
think I
Swagata is saying event planner. Um, somebody saying fashion. Somebody saying, okay, can you sing a song? Maybe a little later once we're done with asking him questions. Huh. Would you be an event planner?
I've done that. I was an event head for a lot of events that happened in Pune, Bombay, and this and that. So I've done all of these events, BPL, ATL. I've done it all. Now, I have an entrepreneur inside me. So if not acting, then I would be an entrepreneur. I would work on, I don't know, manufacturing something cool, something that would solve a problem. Definitely, I've been watching a lot of Shark Tank, so all of that comes from there. But I'm
Oh,
very
Deepak
passionate about it
Kalra is
because I,
here and he's saying hello and he's a big
yay!
fan, sir.
I love Deepak, man. Deepak, though, as and when he has the time, he comes into my live chat and he says, "Hello, this is great, bro.
That is our
Big, big love to
Ladi.
you, man."
He is always there to support all of us. We love you, Ladi.
Appa kithe, Ladi, Appa kithe challe?
गर्मी में चिल करने गर्मी
स्वागत
में
है
चिल
गर्मी में chill करूँ गर्मी में chill थोड़ा बहुत नहीं बेचे पूरा करूँ क्या See, I know his song also. ऐसी थोड़ी million views आए हैं उसके
आई स्वेर
कितने लोगों को
अब तो हम वेट
कितने
करें
लोगों को follow
क्वारंटीन
किया है
खत्म हो तो ये आगे करे कुछ और नेक्स्ट ओके सो
बिल्कुल
बैक टू
बिल्कुल
यू
यार
अब बताओ इफ वन चेंज यू हैड टू मेक इन योर लाइफ व्हाट वुड इट बी
Ah, if I had to make a change in my life, I have made that change yesterday
ओके एंड व्हाट इज
by
दैट
getting her in my life, by getting her in my life, and
ओके
taking up a responsibility of someone and taking care of someone is
इट्स
one of the biggest changes I feel, and it's going to be such a meditative trip because having a cat is a very different story. So
या
I'm
इट्स
embracing
टोटली
this.
डिफरेंट योर फेवरेट एक्सेसरी
Sorry, favorite accessory? Tough one. Sunglasses and perfumes. So either of those two.
Okay. What are you most thankful for?
What am I most thankful for? Most thankful for my parents.
Why did you name her Caramel?
Because she's got chocolate in her and she's got the brown in her and she's white as well. So I was like, you know what? You are caramel. thinking of Godiva or Caramel. Then Caramel seemed more like her, her vibe was more caramelly. They have cats have specific names like Lily and Cookie and Kiki and all of those. So I was like, let's not give let's make a mix. Let's make a mix, because I have a lot of my friends who have named their cats like Cookie, Kitty, so many are there. So now they एक ही चीज की कमी थी Caramel, so वो भी आ गया. It's nice.
How did Elif change your life? A fan is asking. SNR Lantu fan is asking, how did Elif change your life?
How did Elif change my life? Elif changed my life by it's very simple. I've always said this. Understanding is easier than to be understood. Understanding is a lot more easier than to be understood. So I have in this. Surprisingly, Elif believes in the same. So it's been a smooth ride for us
Touchwood.
because of this, and the fact Touchwood, and the fact that we've known each other a while and we've seen each other respectively in our own lives. Without hiding anything from each other or without basically putting up a side. You see what I mean? When people be with each other or they try and get into a relationship, they put a side first. They put up with something and then that breaks out and then the reality comes out. Here, nothing's been there. Like those years, she has seen me, I've seen her. No pretense, nothing. Like it was not like, oh yeah, this is the person I want to be with. I want to hit on this person. I'm going to put up something. So we didn't have that. So
Yeah,
I'm
that's the
very
best
fortunate.
thing.
Yeah, it's clear.
So,
Touchwood.
which element of yours best represents you?
Best word, sorry?
Which element best represents you?
Which element? My facial element, you mean? My which specific element? My facial is something I probed you, but what element were you talking about though?
No, I'm talking
Facial?
about that only. Like, yeah, as an actor, it's all about expression. So,
Oh,
which
as
best
yeah, yeah, yeah,
element
yeah.
represents you? Because you kept speaking about how important it is to express, even if nobody's around.
Eyebrows.
Okay. If you had to invent one word, what would it be?
You know why eyebrows? I'll give you a
Why?
small thing why. Because your why I'm not saying eyes, because eyes but obvious. But apart from your eyes, your eyebrows change everything. Your माथा, आपके माथे पे जो लकीरें बनती हैं स्ट्रेस की, आप अगर ये करो, कभी कभी लोगों, that's what eyebrows exercise is the most important, because आप ये करो, again you exert this, you do this, so your eyebrow is the main, like, it's all here, na? It's all here. So right in the middle is your eyebrow. Should know how to play with it well. People do that. They do that also. Women do that really well. There are people who know how to use their eyebrow really, really, really well. Go for the next question.
Question, invent one word. If you had, what would it be?
What would it be? Sorry.
If you had to invent one word, what would it be? Kunal, your hair is this Rajesh Mansukhani saying yes, totally agree on that.
Thank
His
you.
eyes are
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Today I applied like argan oil and I mixed the Man Company ka oil in it, and today I did nice chumpy. I was thinking of doing it. Thank you guys. So what was that question that you asked me? What would I invent? What would I invent? है ना?
yeah.
I would invent something in the I would invent something in the fitness space of things. Something that would make life. I mean, it's been over and done for sure. I know it's been over and done. Fitness equipment has been over and done. But I want to. It's already out there also, but I want to manufacture it in India, man. It's this fit board. It's a spit board, and it's नीचे से oval है वो, और उसके ऊपर आप खड़े होते हो. You have to balance on it.
Hmm.
Only then you'll be able to stand on it. Otherwise, it'll go this way. So while standing on it, you do squats, or you hold it and then you do push-ups. So again, you need to balance. So that that fit board hasn't come to India yet, by the way. I want to get it here. So I would definitely invent my style of a fit board that would cater to all kind of audience, like female audience, male audience, that kind of stuff.
Since
Just
we're
two
speaking
varieties. That's
about workout, you are somebody who does not miss workout, be it quarantine or non-quarantine. And
yeah, yeah,
be it you do yoga at the same time, you're also into weight training. So, what do
yeah.
you prefer more?
Calisthenics. I've got these rings, so I've started to work out in them and hold and do balances and headstands and this and that. So I've realized over a period of time that you go to the gym, you pick up your weights, you get the pump and this and that. But then, अगर आप नहीं जाओगे जिम तो वो डिप्लीट होने लग जाएंगे डेफिनेटली. पर अगर आप अपनी इंटरनल स्ट्रेंथ पे वर्कआउट करोगे और अपने खुद के बॉडी वेट के साथ ही वर्कआउट करोगे भाई दैट विल गेट यू फर्दर. एटलीस्ट इट विल गिव यू व्हाट यू नीड. भले आपके पास टाइम हो ना हो, वर्कआउट यूजुअली काफी लोग मिस कर जाते हैं क्योंकि फिजिकली जिम जाना पड़ता है, विच इज ऑल्सो फन. बट अब सिचुएशन के बाद, कोरोना वायरस के आ जाने के बाद, going to the gym is the most riskiest thing to do ever.
True.
I mean, until and unless we have the vaccine and things like that, only it's going to take gyms and spas for far more time than other businesses to come back to life. Because people sweat there, people are constantly touching their face and steel के equipments होते हैं, उन सब पे germs stick हो सकते हैं. तो भले जितनी cleaning कर लो, multiple लोग आते हैं ना वहाँ पे, तो all of those indoor activities are going to be shut for quite some time, yeah. So you might as well get into doing calisthenics and body weight training because at the end of the day, that is the best way to live your life. You don't really need a gym. But I'm not against the gym people. I love the gym also. But yeah, this is the change. This is another change that has come into my life. And I was working on it anyway because that's what, when Kasauti started, I knew I wouldn't have time to work out. I bought this board.
Okay.
It took around 40 days for it to come, but it gives me all the muscles to work on. It's just a little push-up movement, but with different grips all over the board. So every muscle works on the body. So yeah,
Okay. Now I'm gonna ask you a very simple, we're gonna have some fun, this or that, okay? So, popcorn or chocolate?
popcorn,
Favorite flavor of popcorn?
cheese,
Comedy or thriller?
comedy.
Favorite comedy movie?
Hera Fairy. Hera Fairy is Andaz Apna Apna actually. I
Favorite
was watching
dialogue
it
from
the other day
Andaz
also.
Apna Apna? Favorite dialogue from Andaz Apna Apna?
कि टोपी आपने कहाँ से ली? फ्रांस से? नहीं, मैंने ये स्विट्जरलैंड से ली है. मुझे वहाँ की शाम बहुत पसंद है. That.
Okay. At
Ah,
home or cinema?
what is that?
Watching at home or cinema?
Watching at home or cinema? Cinema. It's a very tough one again because अब तो घर पे I
अब
mean I've been
अब तो
enjoying my time at home.
अब तो सिचुएशन अलग हो गई है but generally
Yeah.
obviously there will be a time when we'll come back to normalcy. Every pandemic has ended at some point in life. It just takes a little longer, but we're gonna go back to cinema halls. It'll just take longer than the usual, but that's gonna happen
इसका
at some
इसका
point.
ऑनेस्ट आंसर बताऊं, बात ये है कि मैं हर फिल्म में ना जा नहीं पाता सिनेमा में देखने. आई कैन वॉच I can watch big films like Endgame and all of those big films जिनको बड़ी स्क्रीन पे देखने का बहुत ही ज्यादा मजा है, उन स्टेचर की फिल्म्स को. हर फिल्म को मैं देखने नहीं जा पाता एंड दैट्स द रियलिटी ऑफ इट. मैं अगर निकलने पड़ूं तो क्या कई प्लान कैंसिल हो जाते हैं बिकॉज एट सम पॉइंट यू गॉट टू चूज. Your choice is all. I put up this on my post also. Your choice is between what you want and what you want most.
Yeah,
So
always.
sometimes you're doing that, and then so it's literally that.
Okay, Netflix or hard drive, like saved movie.
Netflix for sure.
Favorite binging show right now.
I'm watching Titan. It's nice. It's again with. It's a very inspiring show. It's being hosted by Dwayne Johnson, and the people who are competing in the show to become the world's Titan title holder are people who've got stories to share, man. It's really, really inspiring. There's this one girl who became one of the Titans after crossing all the hurdles that she had to cross, which Dwayne Johnson has made the most toughest to basically challenge every single part of your body. And she completed that challenge and defeated her opponent just with one lung.
Wow.
When she discovered the other side of her lung was removed, the doctor told her you'd never be an athlete. She started training, and had that oxygen mask and train. She's a titan. She's going to be competing for the title now, which is good, So on and off, I like watching all of these light things. Inspiring होती है ये. Dark shows काफी बनते हैं आजकल तो. It's nice to have your mind off it also. Balance में चलाओ
Disney,
सब कुछ life में.
Disney की
Disney,
Marvel.
I love Disney, man. Who doesn't?
Favorite Disney.
Huh?
Favorite Disney
Favorite Disney,
character.
favorite Disney character. Let me think. I don't have a favorite Disney character. I love Disney though. I love
Okay.
Disney. How Disney, yeah, I love Disney films though.
Rewatch or new releases?
I'm in for both. Rewatch is a definite sure shot, so I watch that. I watch films that I have watched earlier also, just to see timing, expression. Oh man, oh too good. Especially in Andaz Apna Apna that I watched recently. Oh my God, the timing. और एक और डायलॉग मुझे एक्चुअली उस फिल्म का पसंद है, which is वेयर आमिर खान को उनके फादर बोलते हैं कि नालायक तेरे जैसी औलाद कहीं नहीं होगी. He says, होगी पिताजी होगी. मेरी जैसी औलाद वही होगी जहां आप जैसा बाप होगा. See what I mean? That was hilarious. So I really enjoy. I go back. I revisit. I like revisits also, man. I'm up for anything and everything, really.
Musical or science fiction?
Science fiction.
Favorite one?
Everything. Marvel. Marvel. Full
Okay.
Marvel. Everything. Thor. All
Company?
of these. Endgame.
Company or on your own?
Company or on my own. Again, I'm okay with both. Depends on the kind of company, na.
वो भी है. Animation या horror?
Anime. I like horror
Favorite.
too. I mean, मुझे तो फिर Elif loves horror, so I watch horror with her. I in fact sit down with her while she's playing her games on PS as well. I'm like, how do you play these games, man? Like it's a dark room and then you have to find a flashlight. Then that's the kind of stuff I watch. But I love anime. I love anime. Anime is so nice. Mood अच्छा हो जाता है यार. Yeah.
Favorite animation?
Favorite animation. I love Ice Age. I love How to Train Your Dragon. I love that series very much. I watched that. I watched their show as well, which was fun. I hope they've come out with new episodes. I'm going to check it out now. Yeah.
Okay. If you had 30 seconds and you knew that these 30 seconds, whatever you say, everyone is going to listen carefully, what would you say?
Good one. Very good one. This sort of took me because I have so much to say always. But now that I realize that I have only 30 seconds to tell you all what I have to tell you all, I think at the end of the day, experience every single emotion in your life. Feel it. Take a minute or two or five to understand what you're feeling first. Because in this world, obviously your parents are going to love you, your friends are going to support you, your family is going to be there for you. But be the guy who can provide. Be the girl who can provide. Be self. You can take care of yourself. You should be able to take care of yourself. We need those. Do you see? And we need a lot of those. So no matter what situation we are in, we have strong minds. We have strong aspirations and very determined people working towards the good of and for this planet. I would personally just say that to people, and I would really, really tell them to actually watch what they do in their life, not overspend on things, not indulge in things that you want, just the ones that are necessary for you. Once in a while, do everything in balance. That's it. I think maintaining your balance in life is just the ideal. I went above 30 seconds. I'm sorry.
It's okay,
I
but
told you
on
all.
this note, we shall call it a live end because it's such a beautiful note and such a beautiful talk of more than 30 seconds, which I think I totally agree with you because it's while quarantine we've realized that what luxuries we thought were necessities and actually what are necessities and going back to basics. So thank you, Kunal, for being here and we shall chat again.
Thank
Live,
you. Thank you.
non-live.
Thank you very much for having. Absolutely, Shwets. Absolutely. Thank you very much for having me on this live chat of yours. I am very, very delighted to be here talking to you and talking to the rest of the people who have also joined us. Thank you very much, guys, for taking out time from this important life of yours. Thank you. And keep doing good in life.
And see you soon. Take care.
See you
Bye.
soon. See you soon. Take care. Bye.